This is majestic green Kyrdem Khla, which means a stomping of tigers. We were fortunate to get a clear sunshine on this day. Kyrdem Khla is not new in the bucket list of the people of Shillong city. It is one of the best picnic spots just few kilometers from Shillong city. Kyrdem Khla is a village situated near Laitlyngkot, explicitly in the East Khasi Slopes region of Meghalaya state in India. The blue skies above our heads and the green pine trees parallel to our eyes for a few seconds made us feel like we are in different parts of the world. This is the place where we find peaceful mind by the serene and beauty of nature around us. Kyrdem Khla village is known for its beautiful excellence, being encircled by rich plant life, slopes and streams, pine trees. Crystal clear rivulets pass below the parallel standing pine trees. The streams by the pine trees flows downwards as if there is no ends. Meandering through these crystal clear streams, their waters sparkling like diamonds under the sun. Picture in tranquil scene where vibrant greenery flourishes under a brilliant blue sky, while crystal clear streams wind gracefully through the landscape. The gentle sound of flowing water create a soothing soul, offering a perfect counterpoint to the vibrant life surrounding it. The radiance of its streams, the vibrant green all over the place. The smiles in our faces reveals the joy to be in this place. Each blade of grass glistened, reflecting the brilliance of the day. With tall pine trees abounded over the modest lands, the brilliant green grass encases these meadows where a gleaming stream runs past them, streaming down past the pines of Kyrdem Khla. Whether we are walking along a stream, simply soaking in the beauty around us, these moments offer a chance to reconnect with nature and ourselves. The lush foliage surrounds us with trees standing tall and proud, their leaves shimmering in the sunlight. In fact, an entirely reasonable excursion spot, cool, pleasant being their appropriate spot for kids and grown-ups the same. The charming of this place attracts lots of visitors, especially during Sundays and holidays. The vibrant colors, fresh air, and soothing sound encourage mindfulness, inviting us to embrace the present and find joy in simplicity. Its romantic nature attracts young couples from all around to hang out in this place. When we look up, the sky is blue. When we look down, the greenery everywhere, blending the beauty of Kyrdem Khla. Sometimes we can't believe such a place like Kyrdem Khla truly exists in nature. Above, the sky stretches endlessly, a deep azure canvas dotted with wispy clouds. As we navigate the Kyrdem Khla, we cherish the beauty of green nature amid the blue sky and clear streams. On such clear days, the sky invites us to dream, to wonder, and to find solace in its openness. Together, the green nature, blue sky, and clear streams create a symphony of life. These landscapes remind us the importance of balance, harmony, and connection with our world. So take a moment to step outside, breathe in fresh air, and let the wonders of nature inspire our spirit. Embrace the serenity and let it rejuvenate our soul. Spending time in this idyllic setting can be incredibly restorative. This harmonious blend of elements creates an oasis of peace, inviting us to immerse ourselves in the beauty of the natural world. Here we find peace and inspiration.